Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to configure email settings in Copper CRM. So first up, log into your Copper account. Now go ahead and go to the top left, click on your profile, and here click on email settings. Okay, click on it, and here as you can see under preferences, we are not going to talk about templates or shared templates. And if you want to know how to create a template, okay, we have a step-by-step guide talking about it. Okay, just go out and find on our channel a video called How to Create an Email Template in Copper CRM. So going back to configure email settings in here under preferences, just click on this drop down and you have three options. Okay, normally if you're just contacting from Copper CRM, okay, in this website, you can just go ahead and select a send a reply from Copper. But you can go ahead and use email links open in Gmail, or email links open in my default email client. Okay, now in here we have emails, files, and links visibility. You can go ahead and mark this one if you want to ensure all synced emails are visible to your team. Okay, if you don't want it, you can go ahead and untick it, and you have some few options in here. Okay, such as mark historical emails as private as well. This may take some time. If you want this one, go ahead and leave it ticked. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to close it. Now in here we have email preference. Now check this one. If you want emails sent from Copper, use your Gmail signature. Now we have the visibility options in here. First up, we have admin private email visibility, or this settings for the account owner. It says here all emails are visible to admins. The account owner can choose to disable this, so emails marked as private are not visible to any admins. Okay. But if you want your admins to see every email, you can go ahead and leave it checked. Now, individual email visibility control, which your admins can control as well. It says, allow users within your company to choose the default visibility for their synced emails. Okay, you have three options in here. First up, yes, users may specify their own default visibility, or no, always private, or no, always visible. Okay. And the Copper mailbox address right here, which is pretty self-explanatory. As by default, Google Sync should be set up for your Copper account. Okay. Now, once that's done, you'll be given this mailbox. Okay. If you don't want this mailbox, you can go ahead and generate a new mailbox address. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and add your CC'd contacts to Copper. And it says here, when you include the Copper mailbox in the BCC field, Copper will add new contacts in the CC field as person records. Okay. And lastly, here we have email tracking. It says professional business customers can automatically track all emails sent via the web or mobile app. Professionals can track email opens, while business customers can also track link clicks. All right. If you like this feature, you can just leave it ticked. And that's basically it. That is how you configure email settings here in Copper. And by the way, if you want to know how to connect Copper to your Gmail right here, just like here, okay, we have this extension. You can go ahead and watch a video on the channel titled How to Connect Copper CRM with a Gmail. Okay. Also, the video that talks about how to use email aliases in Copper CRM. All right. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.